Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to download BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator that lets you run mobile apps on your laptop. Head to the BlueStacks website, click the download button, and save the installer to your computer. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow the setup wizard, making sure to select your preferred installation location. Step 2. After BlueStacks is installed, launch the application and sign in with your Google account. This is important because you'll need access to the Google Play Store to download LOKLOK. It might take a few moments to fully load, so be patient. Step 3. Now open the Google Play Store within BlueStacks and search for LOKLOK in the search bar. Once you find the official app, click the Install button and wait for it to download and install completely. Step 4. When the installation finishes, open LOKLOK from your app library and create your account or log in if you already have one. This gives you access to all the streaming content available on the platform. Step 5. Finally, customize your settings by adjusting video quality preferences and notification settings to suit your laptop. You can also bookmark your favorite shows and movies for easy access later.